Children, the next we are going to learn about Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. See, already we have learned that hydronium ion concentration in an acidic buffer solution depends on the ratio of concentration of weak acid to the concentration of its conjugate base present in the solution. Here the weak acid is already we know it is dissociated only to a small extent. So due to the common ion, the dissociation of the acid is further suppressed, and hence the equilibrium concentration of the acid is nearly equal to the initial concentration of the undissociated acid. Similarly, the concentration of the conjugate base equal to the initial concentration of the added salt. So, here acid concentration, salt concentration represent initial concentration of the acid and salt respectively. So, now taking logarithms on both sides, log H3O plus concentration equal to log Ka plus log acid concentration by its salt, acid and salt. Already we taught concentration of the conjugate base nearly equal to the added salt. So the base now changed to salt. Now there is before that one more equation you can write. H3O plus concentration is equal to Ka into acid concentration by salt concentration. So now applying log for both sides, log H3O plus is equal to log Ka plus log acid by salt. Reverse the sign on both sides. Minus log H3O plus concentration is equal to minus log Ka minus log acid concentration by salt concentration. Minus log H3O plus concentration is equal to, already we know, pH. So minus log Ka we can write as pKa. So applying the both here, pH is equal to pKa minus log acid concentration by salt concentration. To remove that negative sign, you can write pH is equal to pKa plus log salt concentration by acid concentration. This is for acid. For basic buffer, POH equals to pKb plus log salt concentration by base concentration. So this is Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. Very simple only. Asking for 3 marks. Derive Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. First you have to learn this one definition. Buffer solution depends upon the ratio of concentration of the weak acid to the concentration of its conjugate base. Then the base converted to the initial concentration of the salt. Then apply log, reverse the sign, then bring pH, then POH.